Good morning, traders. Forex market situation update. It's good to be back. It's Tuesday today, and we're all over the pound versus the US dollar today. Big move we had here yesterday. The kind of move we were waiting for that's going to take us into safe territory, so to speak, right? Because, well, you remember the story here. We got involved with the pound US dollar a long time ago. In fact, we were absorbing this whole technical correction that lasted for quite some time just to stay in the game, because we were heavily relied on 36.86 here to hold, and it did. I mean, but it wasn't easy. It was a bumpy ride because price started to lift off, and then it came back. So we had to endure all of that stuff. And when price was on the downside the second time, we were very concerned, but eventually, of course, price basically touched base again and gave us that double bottom, that qualified double bottom right across that level, and started to lift off again, and we were back in the game. Now we've reestablished our bullish position, and now price is pushing forward full steam ahead, and leave us basically no choice but to throw in one more trade into the mix and keep pushing the position bigger. Now I want to talk about the potential targets. We haven't been here for quite some time. You might have forgotten about those targets that we're talking about. We had a more ambitious target at 48, but we decided to cut short that ambitious target with something that's more close to home. This is also a Fibonacci projection level. We're talking about 45.83. This is also where the previous high is. This is a solid target to aim for, and we think that at that point we're going to be losing interest. But till then, we got ourselves a 600 pip, right? And we're already counting here, like I think it's like 100 pip. Yeah, actually 230 pip already. In the pocket, so to speak. So we got a long way to go still. We got our stop loss level still the same stop that we used from the beginning at 36. It's time to push the stop loss level and basically to jump over our main protection. I think price went far enough for us to stop relying on 36.86 for protection. We're going to push the stop all the way to 37, right? So we're jumping a little bit over 36.86 here, basically an adjustment for of 100 pip for our stop loss level, and increasing the position, right? Throwing in one more trade, moving up to 3 trades in this position. It looks like the pound is not going to it's not going to stop anytime soon. Right now, after coming off that big double bottom, I think it's clear that it's going towards that previous high. This is the big system that we are working here with. It's the kind of systems that run back all the way to 2016. In this case, late 2016. That's where it started. So when price just crossed over that same 36.86 level that happened 4 months ago, ever since then, right, you can see it was January, right? So 3.5 months ago, and it was supposed to take the previous high, the major previous high, which was determined back at April 2018. So we think price is heading towards that area, and that's why we base all this bullish campaign, bullish conviction is on that fact mostly. So yeah, that's the technical situation, looking favorable for the pound at this point in time. We'll have to come back and follow up as usual. That's about it for this one. We'll be back with the next. Stay tuned.